All right, good morning. It's supposed to get up to 70 degrees today. We'll see how that goes.
Hi.
Kids are out here being goofy.
Hi. No, we're not. Oh my God.
Today, we're gonna get the chicken brooder set up, finish painting the chicken coop, but first we gotta fix the chicken coop because we went to peel some boards off the back to make some repairs. And apparently the crappy boards that we were replacing were holding it together. The structure was built on the outside, not the inside. So I think we're gonna put another egg box back here since it's open. I mean, why not? Okay, got new boards going down for the back wood to fit to. Got a cross brace in there to stiffen it up. And then while it's open, I made a roost for the chickens. Probably gonna have another roost that runs along the back side here. We'll see how that goes. And this board here is just for the roost. I'm gonna cut the top off right here. We'll start throwing these old slats back up and set the kids free painting. Well, it's not perfect, but once we get a coat of paint on it, it'll last longer. Gotta find something for this gap right here. You know what it's like to fill a gap. What should I do? Okay, got the gaps filled over here. My wife found that piece that fits perfect on the ground. And then this piece I just cut out of a old section of wooden fence that's laying on the ground. So we'll get the kids painting on this. Here soon, me and my wife are gonna go start on the brooder box, which won't take much because it's already built. We just gotta take stuff off of it to make it better for baby chicks. So we'll be back in a little bit. All right, chicken coop's painted as per usual. It's not perfect, but we're trying to make this chicken coop's older than me by far. We're trying to make it last at least 5 or 6 years, and then we're probably gonna end up redoing the whole chicken coop area. See what we end up with then. The last things I got to do for the coop building itself is build doors and get trays for the eggs, the egg bins.
I'm trying to set this up, Daddy.
My wife's touching up the front because the kids, it's hard to paint this old wood because it's full of grain and it's dry, it's soaking up the paint, but we're touching it up and getting it finished. We're not going to paint that side because that paint's in good shape and no one's going to see it, and it's in good shape, so why paint it? Okay, here's the box we're going to use for the brooder box. Those wheels used to be underneath of it because I built this box so I could take the box off of the old Mazda we had, set it on here and roll it around, but I've since gotten rid of the Mazda, so I'm going to repurpose this for a brooder for now. This is all out of recycled wood my wife brought home from her old job, so the goal is free and or cheap. So let's get this thing knocked out.
Make sure you like it.
What?
Make sure you like it.
Like and subscribe, right?
Yep.
All right, there's the brooder box on the floor. We're gonna get a layer of cardboard down and then a layer of wood chips.
And this is where the baby chicks are done.
Yes, ma'am. Then we need to make a cover out of the extra chicken wire that we're gonna have. We'll mount a heat lamp off of this side of the box. And I don't know how many chicks we're gonna get today. Hopefully some. They've been out. So we'll get baby chicken feeders, baby chicken waterers, and hopefully chicks today. There's 2 places locally that sell, hold on a second, baby. Okay. 2 places locally that sell baby chicks. If not, we know a couple small chicken farmers around here. We'll hit them up, see what they got. And if the weather stays warm, it's really windy, but if the weather stays warm today, we'll get chicken wire put up on the frames and start setting up the waterers. Okay, with some lath and chicken wire, we'll make a lid for the brooder box.
Hello.
Maya's helping. She likes to be involved with everything. Okay, no chickens in town today. We might get a hold of a local breeder or local hatcher or order them online. But we got chicken feed, chicken start feed, a tarp to put under the brooder, beginner kit for all the chicks, and bedding. Alright, so there's the bedding, the tarp to go underneath everything. Then we bought this kit, it was 30 bucks. Came with 2 feeders, a waterer, and a heat lamp. And then it came with a chicken book for beginners. Hold on, buddy. Best breeds for beginners, but my wife wants to go with Rhode Island Red and Plymouth Rock chickens. So that's probably what we're gonna do. All right, so no chickens today, but we're gonna go ahead and get this bad boy wrapped up with some chicken wire and hardware cloth. Probably not gonna film a whole lot along the way, but here it is before, and probably show you some during and after. Well, it's kind of a massive pain in the rear, but we're getting there. We've got the first 2 sections covered. Somebody want to come do it for me? I'll give them a beer, maybe $1. All right, well, this is where we're at right now. It's the end of the day, Saturday. It's about 5:30, or Sunday. It's about 5:30. It's time to go start supper. But this is as far as we got. I'll show you. So we got the chicken wire wrapped around the top and sides. We still got to go through and tighten it up and tie it around the bottoms in a few spots. And then tomorrow we're going to get the back wrapped up real nice, the front done, get the hardware cloth put around it. It's like zip tie central in here. But here it is. This will be the 3rd chicken coop video, hopefully 3 of 4. And the final installation of this video will be us finishing wrapping this up. We'll make doors and show you how we're going to set up the egg box, have chickens, and get them in here. Might be 5 videos, I don't know, we'll see. But thanks for watching along the journey. We appreciate it if you watch. Feel free to like, subscribe, share, or just watch. Whatever you want. And yeah, it'll most likely be 5 videos, because the next video will be us finishing this, getting all the wiring on, getting the doors built and whatnot, and then the final video will be us raising some chicks and releasing them into their new kingdom. So, have a good weekend, good day, whatever you're up to. Enjoy it. Love you guys.